Hi, my name is Satyapal Chandra. I'm founder and CEO of MacTap. Before founding MacTap, I have over 10 years of corporate experience in sectors like finance and education. Apart from that, also an author and I have written 11 novels. So why we have found MacTap? If you will talk about it in India, over 90% of Indian people are not good at English in terms of reading, writing and understanding. But more contradictory situation is that over 90% of content, whether it's in an online or in a document format or in a book format or physical format, 90% of content are available in the English language. So what happened in native speakers like Indian who has mother tongue like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, etc. tries to browse content on internet or read content in a digital document. He usually stuck at difficult English word. So what he generally does in such situation, in such situation what he does, he usually copy paste that word and paste in a online dictionary on a Google to get the meaning, or he opens a physical dictionary to get that meaning. But what's the wrong with this situation? The wrong with this situation is that copy pasting a word usually take at least 7 to 8 seconds. Also, if he opens the physical dictionary to get the meaning of that word, it generally consume 10 seconds of time. So first, it is a very time consuming process. Second, the meaning that is being given in the textual format tend to be written in a very lengthy and boring format, and it leads to lower retention. To solve this problem, we have come up with a solution that is known as one tab visual meaning solution. So what is one tab visual meaning solution? Suppose you are reading something online or in a digital document. If you are stuck at any particular word, all you need to do is to tap on that word, and less than a second you will get a visual meaning. Why visual? Because visual process 60,000 times faster in our brain, and it conveys 6 times more information than words. So we have integrated this one-tap visual meaning in our web browser and document reader, so user can consume any kind of content uninterruptedly. So what's future stands for MacTap? Right now, over half of the Indians are not using a smartphone, and as we are a web browser, we are hoping that we will be the first point of contact to internet to those users who are not using internet. In B2B segment, we are going to onboard all major publishers across globe, and we are hoping that we will generate trillions of tap and monetize them, and we will enable them to generate millions of extra revenue every month. If we talk about our traction in our B2C segment, our daily active user is 100,000 and our monthly active user is 1 million. If I talk about how many time a user generally spend on an app, so on an average a user spend around 15 minutes. Our app is being used in 95 countries. Until now, we have served over 21 millions of visual meaning. I will talk about a B2B business to business traction. Right now, we have onboarded 2 giant publishers in India that has potential to generate over 1 billion steps.